What if I told you the technology behind cryptocurrencies is expected to generate over $3.1 trillion in business value by 2030, transforming everything from voting to healthcare? That power belongs to the blockchain. Blockchain is often confused with Bitcoin, but it's much bigger. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized, immutable, digital ledger. Think of it as a shared, universal record book that everyone can view, but no single person or entity can control or alter. Traditional systems rely on a central authority, a bank, a government, a server, to manage trust and verify transactions. This creates two huge problems: centralized vulnerability and lack of transparency. If that single central server is hacked, it's a disaster. If a single bank makes a mistake or withholds information, the public has no way to verify the truth. This forced reliance on intermediaries makes transactions slow, expensive, and vulnerable to corruption or error. The world needed a digital solution for trust that didn't require trusting any single party. Here's how blockchain solves it. When a transaction occurs, it's bundled into a block with other data. To add this new block to the network, a consensus mechanism like proof of work or proof of stake requires multiple computers or nodes to verify and agree on the transaction's legitimacy. Once verified, the block is sealed with a unique cryptographic hash, which includes the hash of the previous block, creating the secure chain. Because every block is linked and verified across the decentralized network, altering even one transaction would require redoing the work of all subsequent blocks and getting majority agreement from the entire network, making it virtually impossible. While finance is the obvious application, the most profound impact of blockchain is its ability to create absolute traceability. In complex global systems, take supply chain management. By recording a product's journey from the farm to the store shelf on a blockchain, a consumer can scan a code and instantly see the authentic, immutable history. This eliminates fraud, proves the ethical sourcing of ingredients, and dramatically improves transparency in sectors like food and pharmaceuticals. Blockchain is not just a ledger. It is the ultimate global tool for verifiable truth. Blockchain is a revolutionary technology because it replaces the need for centralized trust with verifiable, mathematical certainty. It is the distributed ledger that promises a future of greater transparency, security, and efficiency across every major industry. Beyond currency and supply chains, what industry do you think blockchain will transform next? Drop your ideas in the comments. And if you want to see how this technology is currently disrupting finance, check out our video on decentralized finance, DeFi, right here.